everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview. It's pretty slow. There's a lot of Christmas stuff on sale and there's a lot of food stuff, but nothing really to do with couponing, which is okay. It's nice sometimes just to take a break, but I'm here to share with you guys what they have on sale at Walgreens. So on the first page they have get up to $30 in rewards. It says if you spend $25 you get 5,000 points. If you spend $40 you get $10 in points. And then if you spend $100, that's crazy, you get 30,000 points, which is $30 in points. So that's something that they're having. I won't really do that. So we got that going on, and it looks like it's only for 2 days. It looks like it's for the 2nd through the 4th. So there's that. But on the first page they got Kellogg's cereal for $1.99. There's 50-cent off coupons. Now I do know there is a $2 off of 4 deal on checkout 51. I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is available when this ad comes out, you guys could get it, get each cereal pretty much for, oh, I forgot what the price, I think for like $1 a box. So if you guys are interested in that, they got deals of the week. $4.99, and then it says $6 or 6,000 points when you buy 3. Well, we do have dollar off coupons for the Tide and the Downy, so you could use 3 different coupons depending on what you guys want. 2 of 1, 1 of 2. So then you guys would end up paying $5.97 after the 6,000 points. So that comes out to be $1.99 each, which could be a pretty good deal. They got candy 2 for $6. There's a 1 off of 2 coupon in the booklet, plus we have that dollar off of 2 coupon that we got in the Sunday's paper, making them $2 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but they do have some more food deals, lots of food deals, lots of nuts. And I always like to give nuts, especially cashews, to my relatives for Christmas, so I plan on getting some more nuts and stuff, and those are great prices, and it's just all the same. It doesn't matter if you get brand name or not, but wanted to let you guys know on that if you guys are interested. I always like to give food for Christmas because then I know it'll be used. So got that going on. Now here's something I just see. We got Planters Party Tray, which is like a bunch of different nuts, and then they got like what, a 3-pack of nuts for $6.49. So that's kind of something good if you guys want to give some gifts away. So got that going on. Here we are on the candy, lots of candy deals, but they got 2 for 1 like Nestle brand candy, and then they got 2 for $3, or like the movie theater candy, 4 for $4. They got gingerbread, you know, tons of stuff like that. I just knocked over my pudding. It's really sad. They got Reese's Christmas Tree, 2 for $1. It looks like we have a 50 cents off of 2. Russell Stouffer's, 39 cents. Those are great for stocking stuffers. I always get those for my husband. So we got that going on. They got cards where you get, buy 2, you get 2,000 points. Nothing going on really in the paper products. I mean, it's buy one, get one 50% off. So, I mean, we do, I think we have 50-cent off coupons if you guys are interested in something like that. Palmolive soap is 99 cents. There's going to be an online coupon for 25 cents. Extra is $1.49. Lots of pictures. I always buy my Christmas cards at the Walgreens website because I find them fine. They do its service, so they're only 25% off. So I think I'm going to wait on that. I usually kind of get them when they're 50% off. So got that. Now they have a lot of gifts. Now here they got it where you get a free $10 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2 gift cards, which it looks like Bass Pro Shops, Uber, Netflix, Cabela's, JCPenney, Showtime. So if you buy any of those gift cards, if you buy 2 of them, you get $10. Here's some stocking stuffers for $5. We got lots of toys. Buy 2 at $6.99, get 1 free. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. 20% off Legos. Tie holiday beanies, 2 for $10. Here they got 25% off other toys, $19.99. So a lot of stuff is on sale, which is cool. Here we got some Christmas stuff. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. I really don't look at any of the Christmas stuff unless I absolutely need it, but got that. Then they got some underwear. Oh yeah. Candles, Glade, hats, slippers. Got that going for you. Now here's the personal care items. I didn't really see anything that's really popping out. I mean, they got L'Oreal, but there's a $1 off coupon making them $2.99. Not the greatest deal. Body wash, if you spend $10, you get a $3 worth of points. So nothing's really popping up, but they do have a lot of makeup deals. If you spend $10, you get $2 in points for Rimmel. Spend $20, you get 5 for Maybelline. Spend $20, get 5 for Neutrogena. Buy 2, you get $3 for Sally Hansen. Wet n Wild, you spend $10, you get $2. And Revlon, it looks like if you spend $15, you get 3. So a lot of that. Here's some stocking stuffer stuff right here, 4 for $5. Those are great if you guys need little gift baskets, ideas. Lots of perfumes. Here are some more personal care items. Now here they got Crest. Now it does say toothbrushes, toothpaste, and mouthwash. Well, we do have those $2 off coupons in the P&G for the Crest. And then we have $1 off coupons for the mouthwash. So you guys would want to buy 2 toothpaste and 1 mouthwash. You guys would pay $6.97. You get a $6 register reward when you buy 3. So that comes out to be about 97 cents. That's like about 32 cents a piece roughly. So there's that. Not much else going on with the razors and all that jazz. Medicine, it is cold season, but again, not the greatest deals. I feel like taking a month break at Walgreens. It's just so bad. Vitamins are always buy one get one 50% off or buy one get one free. Here they got that 23andMe. I wouldn't buy that unless you guys absolutely want it. It's a good deal with the coupon, but then you got to spend $70 to get your test results back. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. And then here we're on the last page already. Again, not a lot of great deals, but they do have all $2.99. You get $1 worth of points if you buy 2. More candy for Christmas, $4.99. Arizona tea is always usually 2 for $4 or 2 for $1. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Now this is the Walgreens ad starting this Sunday, December 2nd, I think, or 3rd. I think it's the 2nd. I just can't remember. But just wanted to share with you guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.